Christian here from PixelYourSite. Yes, this is PixelYourSite. I want to show you exactly what data we track and send to Google Tag Manager. Our new integration with Google Tag Manager, we detect a lot of data and we send it into a data layer. In another video, I showed you how you can use our import export file to create a Google Tag Manager container. And I explain the content of that container, the triggers that we have, the variables that we have, and the tags that we have. Version number 1 has support for Google Analytics. If you want more tags, let me know and we will add them. Now, I want to show you how the data actually looks like on a normal website. And I will disable our native integrations to have very clean data. I will save this setup. Then what I need to do is to open the website in an incognito window, open Tag Assistant, add the domain. And now I will browse the website to trigger events. So scroll. I will watch this video to trigger still me with a better haircut. I look younger there. Maybe I was young. I don't know. Not an old video. So yeah, I need a haircut, obviously. So I have a few events here as well. I will go and add some products to cart, visualize some products because I want to trigger e-commerce events. Add to cart. I will submit a form. I think that's it. I can also trigger some other events like this one. Okay, phone. Yeah, don't want to call anyone. And so on. I think it's okay. So now, if I go to the tag assistant, I won't be able to debug directly the GTM container because I'm in an incognito and I don't want to do it. What I will do instead, I will open the fake, because this is a fake Google Analytics ID. I did not change the variable inside my Google Analytics container. So that's why I have the dummy data. If you want to actually use the GA4 tag that we have inside the import export file, you need to edit this. Let me show you because it's important. You need to edit this variable right here. I mentioned this in every video, but never at the beginning as I should. So this variable you need to edit and add the actual GA4 ID. Okay, back to the tag assistant page. This one. As you can see, I have a lot of events. Some of them are automatic events, like this one. This is the data layer. Internal click. It's an event we fire when clicks opening internal pages of the same website are clicked. And I have a lot of parameters here. I have this trigger automated, and that's about it. I have the event name here. All this data is tracked by our variables, and this is the trigger used. This is the value used by the trigger related to such automated events. So I can show you this event was detected by this trigger. Manual event. No, automatic event. So this trigger detected the event, and these many variables detected the event variables, all this data. And as you can see, this is the actual event sent to GA4. It has all the data available for it. So it's the same thing for add to cart. With add to cart, of course, has item values. So item data, e-commerce data, and this is the data layer with all the e-commerce specific data. These are the automatic parameters, and the trigger this time is e-commerce. So the event looks like this. It has the item, some specific values specific to e-commerce, and then our extra data. This data layer push detects data from the form, so it's encoded, the email address that I used, my phone number, and my first name. So it's detected and then used by the event like this. You can see now that I have form data, so user data, it's present inside the event, and the data layer looks like this. Okay, I mean everything it's follows this structure. Our automatic events have trigger type automated. Our manually configured events, so events you configure inside the plugin, will have manual, and our e-commerce events will have e-commerce. We also have some events called advanced marketing events. There are events you can configure for WooCommerce, tracking important customers, like customers with lifetime value over something, or with at least 10 purchases. You can edit these conditions, and they have a specific trigger called advanced marketing events. It's all in the data layer. It's all detected by our triggers and variables. And because I have GA4 configured in the container, I have these GA4 events sent to the dummy GA4 account, because I did not update or change the variable. So that's how it works. That's what a plugin does. We detect data, we push events into the data layer, we add a lot of parameters, and with the import export file, you can easily configure a container that tracks all these data. If you want to add extra events, you can do it inside Google Analytics, or you can do it inside our plugin on the events page. So it's very flexible. And next, I want you to comment below the video and tell me which tags would you like to see in our import export file. We plan to add as many as possible, but which one would you like to see next? I'm Christian Stoichescu from PixelYourSite. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel, because we publish from time to time videos explaining how the plugin works, what new features we have, and thank you for watching.